handsome ones. Today we are looking at style hacks to flatter. So in today's video, I have 9 hacks with 12 different outfits. So I've used some of the same outfits again in other looks, just so that you can see how simple and versatile they are. And these hacks are tried and tested. They are just little tweaks that you can make to your outfit to give it that little bit of panache and a little bit of individuality. High and low. Simple outfit with incredible accessories will look amazing. Universal, simple, classic pieces that will stand the test of time when paired with well-made shoes or a structured bag can pass for a high-end look. Loud and quiet. Make one hero piece in the outfit that makes all the noise and keep the rest really quiet. If you have too much going on, then save the extra pieces for another day. It will be worth getting up the next day to wear that other item, but not today. The outfit is really simple with clean white lines, understated and quiet. Then the shoes pop at the end of the feet. I receive so many compliments about the shoes when I wear this outfit. The focus is on my feet and people's eyes go there. The scarf can be optional. Leave it out if you want a simple white line, or add it if you want to echo the shoes. I tied it around my neck so it's contained to a small area. The focus is still on the shoes, but the scarf ties it in. Scarf folding. I am a creature of habit and have a few favourite ways of folding my scarves. I have found tying it around my neck is the most flattering for me. I only really started getting into scarves in the last 10 years. In the winter, I will have long flowing scarves to cover the chest and shoulders area to keep me warm. Scarves tie the colours in an outfit together. It also creates a bit more interest. It adds a dash of panache. It shows a bit of thoughtfulness without having to buy the latest item. Scarves are classic, elegant, and fun. They are always on trend and you can get the size and pattern to suit you. They can be added to the simplest outfit and creates a unique touch to an outfit. Take one thing off. I am sure the whole world has heard Coco Chanel's famous quote of taking one thing off. I subscribe to her philosophy. I often will scrutinize my outfit before I leave, searching for the one thing I need to take off. This can also include a color. Take one color off. So swapping one item for another color that is already existing in the outfit is one way to do it. I think I have trained myself to do this, and I automatically buy simple earrings, delicate jewelry, solid colours, and I avoid extra ruffles. Nevertheless, there are times when I need to heed Coco's advice. I have to remember that tomorrow is another day. In this outfit, there are too many colours and too many accessories. There is more than one thing to take off. I will start taking the extra things off. When I can't take any more off, I will swap the jeans, shoes, and bag. I have found as I've gotten older, my hair has gotten shorter and my necklines have gotten higher. So I direct the eyes up to my face. By turning the top around, having the neckline right up to the base of the neck, it gives a clean line from waistline to neck. Plus, the back shows a little bit of skin, which is unexpected. Also, tying the shirt at the waist gives a delightful touch. With this top, the buttons are down the back, so it gives a bit more detail at the back. The front will always be more interesting as that is where your face is. We don't see the back of our outfits, but other people do. Replace the buttons. When I buy items from the op shop or even affordable items, the buttons are usually inferior. They can either be too contrasting and the look doesn't flow, or the buttons actually detract from the outfit. With this jumpsuit, the buttons were lovely, but they were gold and I don't wear gold. So I replaced them with this combination of 3 buttons for a bit of fun. Add a belt. I am drawn to belts and I don't wear them that often, but I do find that whenever I add a belt to an outfit, I'm amazed at how it elevates it. In a similar way to swapping buttons, removing the fabric belt from an outfit and replacing it with a leather belt or one that is created for a definite look will make it look so much better. This jumpsuit came with a drawstring belt and it looked awful. So I removed it and added this belt. French tuck. The relaxed look has really taken off, and it is so good to see the fit of clothing is leaning towards comfort. I grew up in the era where we would squeeze into our clothes. Skinny was the aim. Comfort was collateral damage and was sacrificed on the altar of style. I must admit that is still a part of me, and it took me a long time to embrace comfort. So the French tuck is a fusion of comfort and style. It gives a bit of shape to a relaxed look. It defines the waist and focuses the eye to the waist. It really does elevate any look with a simple movement. Some button-down shirts can have extra fabric for tucking in. It secures the top into your bottom half, but it also adds bulk around the middle. So I have been leaning more and more towards tying my button-down shirts at the waist. Removes any possibility of it coming out and looking unkempt, and gives a relaxed look to a more formal top. By tying it once and then buttoning it instead of the second knot, it keeps the extra fabric in place. It has taken me a long time to get on board with button-down shirts, as I didn't like the V it created and the formal look it gave. I found myself veering more and more towards shirts with the use of this tie. J.Crew arm cuff. I prefer sleeves to be 3/4 length. It gives me a bit of room to work with my hands. If a shirt has a voluminous sleeve with detail at the cuff, I leave it as is and make sure the cuff feature is shown. However, for a standard button-down shirt or an oversized one, this style hack creates a bit of interest. Okay, so there you go. We have come to the end of the 9 style hacks that can actually really flatter your outfit. We've also come to the end of the Style Principles series. Next week will be my roundup of what's in and what's out of my wardrobe. So new items that I've acquired over the last 5 months, and also a list of what I've gotten rid of. It's been quite a lot. I've had quite a big changeover this time. So then the week after that, we're then going to be looking at a book review. I love to read, and a few years ago, I actually found this book in an op shop. How to Break Up with Fast Fashion. And as you can see, I have dog-eared it and I've got lots of tabs, and there's so much that I would like to share with you about that. So I will put the title and all the publication details listed down below. So if you want to get ready for that, then you've got 2 weeks to source the book and then maybe just have a read as well. But it was a really pivotal book and I really enjoyed it. So I look forward to sharing that with you. If you would like to come along on the journey with me, or otherwise, then I will just share what I have learned about the book. So I really look forward to seeing you next week, and I've got a lot of outfits to show you of what's in and what's out of my wardrobe, and I can assure you it will be classic, elegant and